Hi you guys, it's Mrs. Tom. Hope you're all doing well. Wednesday's lesson is here. It's solving by quadratic formula. This is x equals negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, I would really look in the book also for these problems, okay? Look at page 464. Okay, first thing we have to determine is what is A, B, and C. Okay, this is A, this is B, and this is C. And you're always going to take the sign in front. So I have negative 3, I have 5, and I have negative 2. Okay, so now we're going to plug this in. My B is 5, but there's a negative here. So I have negative 5 plus or minus 5 squared minus 4 times negative 3 times negative 2. Over 2 times negative 3. Okay, that's what it should look like. If you have to pause, please pause and write this out. Okay, so I have negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 25, and this is positive 12 times 2 is negative 24. And this is over negative 6. So I have negative 5 plus or minus 1, the square root of 1, over negative 6. The square root of 1 is 1. So I have negative 5 minus 1 over negative 6. And then I have negative 5 plus 1 over 6. So I have negative 6 over negative 6, which is 1. And then I have negative 4 sixths, which when you simplify it is negative 2 over 3. So this is my answer, and this is my answer. Okay? Maybe I should focus, put it better into view. So my final answers are going to be 1 and negative 2/3. You have to reduce your fractions, okay? Reducing is a must. Okay, we're going to do a couple more, or at least one more. I'm going to keep I might as well keep the video running. Okay, so let me erase. Okay, let's look at 2b. 2b says 7x squared minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. One reason we use the quadratic, you guys, is because we can't find factors for these. Before, we were calling them prime solutions. Now we can find solutions just a much harder way. Okay, let's do our A, B, and C. Okay, A is 7, negative 2, and negative 8. So I'm going to start plugging this in. X is equal to a negative and a negative 2 plus or minus negative 2 squared minus 4 times 7 times negative 8 over 2 times 7. Okay? So I have 2 plus or minus radical 4, negative 28. Let me show you. Negative 28 times negative 8. So I'm going to write this out. Carry 6. 16, 224. So plus or minus 224 over 14. Okay, so we have 2 plus or minus 228 over 14. Okay, now I need to break the 228 down. Let's see what we can do. We have 228, so now I'm going to put it into primes. I have 2 and 114, 2 and 57, 3 and 19. So I have 2, 2, 3, and 19. So I can pull out a 2. Oh God, I didn't do that very well. Okay, can you guys see that? I have 2, 2, 3, and 19. So I'm pulling out the 2. So now I have x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 rad 57 over 14. Now these are all even numbers except for the 57. 57, there's nothing I can do. I'm going to leave it as is. So now I have x is equal to 1 plus or minus 1 rad 57 over 7. I divided these all by 2. Okay? Please rewatch this video. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.